With billions of searches every second on Google and YouTube, we all struggle with productivity. While many people are showing how to be productive, mine one might not be the best solution. But it's worth knowing. We can actually 10x our productivity with a simple hack in ChatGPT. Sign in to ChatGPT with your Google or Microsoft account. Now add the AI PRM extension to Chrome for free. This is how you will see your ChatGPT dashboard from now on. One of the best benefits of this tool is you can increase your productivity by just a single word with the right option selected. To use ChatGPT for productivity, click on topic and you will see the productivity option. Select that, and at the moment we have 363 prompts to help us being productive. By the time you are watching this video, this number might increase as they are constantly updating this tool. In the activity tab, you can select if you need help in planning something or responding and summarizing. You can either search for a specific use case you are looking for. Let's select plan, and we get options such as find all resources in one click, make a lesson plan, talk to a business coach and mentor, and 144 more prompts like these. It might be difficult for you to find these exact prompts yourself, so it's always better to use the search option. Not every prompt will relate to you, so take your time to try as many as you can which suits your style and needs the most. I will be trying out some of these to show you how we can actually benefit from this in our daily life. Let's say you need resources for a specific topic, but you don't want to waste time looking for it on the internet. Select this option and type your keyword. For example, I'm looking for proteins, so it recommends some journals and publications for me to read, specific books with their names, online databases, online courses, tutorials, and a list of other more resources which can help me in my task. What if I need an actionable day planner to complete a 30 days course? It provides you with the basic outline of how to achieve this goal, from high tasks to detailed breakdown of small tasks, as well as an acceptance criteria to know how much you had progressed. We can come up with a 3-month Instagram post content. Select this option, and for example, my interest is in programming and I make tutorial videos. It comes up with a complete 3 months plan on how to effectively manage your tasks for 3 months along with captions. You can do hashtags with another ChatGPT prompt as well. The SWOT analysis is something which I really like. For example, I want to become a programmer. It comes up with a complete scenario for the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in the field, and the same you can do for a business and any other thing before actually deciding on it. In the response section, if anyone knows how to use the ChatGPT jailbreak prompt, then do let me know in the comments. We get prompts for making an Upwork proposal based on a client description, a math problem solver, answering Quora questions, and all these prompts you will see on screen. These prompts can mess up big time, so be patient with it and try as many as you can. The results you will get will not always be perfect. It only gives you a strong basic outline to follow and add your own touch to it according to your needs. I found this one very interesting. Ask Tony Robbins, the famous motivational coach. This is a one-to-one discussion with him where you can discuss your problems and ChatGPT will suggest solutions to you based on the data it have about Tony Robbins. Let's say if I ask I am not able to do exercise, ChatGPT comes up with a decent approach to help me identify the problem. Let's just say I'm lazy, that's why. Then it tries to motivate me by digging deep into what's the real reason holding me back. If I don't have any other reason, I'll say I'm just lazy. Then it starts to give me a step-by-step formula on how to actually overcome my laziness and be productive by applying different strategies. You can ask it any other problem you are facing. The next one is act as an interviewer, where you tell ChatGPT the position you will take an interview for, and ChatGPT acts as an interviewer. For example, as a social media manager in this case. The more details you provide to ChatGPT about yourself, the more ChatGPT will be able to generate better responses. In summarize, we can do lots of activities to save time, whether it be summarizing an article, a website, a book, a YouTube video. This section has all of it. The prompts which I highlight are based on my experience, which I think you will find more useful. Other than these, you can always explore all the other options. To summarize a website, select this option and paste URL of your website. Let's search for an article, for example, latest news about AI in the past 24 hours, and open a website. Copy the URL of the website you want to summarize and paste it into ChatGPT. That way we got a nice looking short summary of the whole article. You can further tell ChatGPT to make the summary long or short or in bullet points. The last one is book summarizer, which is my personal favorite. If you are like me and can't read long books, provide the book name and author name to get this beautifully organized chapter-wise summary of any book you want. If ChatGPT stops in the middle, click on the continue option at the bottom. This way we can cover many books in a day instead of covering one in weeks. This is by far the best way to 10x your productivity with ChatGPT. That was all for this category. This is basically a part of my course Mastering ChatGPT, in which I will cover how to use ChatGPT for all these categories the best possible way. I hope you find this video helpful to know how to master ChatGPT for copywriting. Check out this video.